Hi guys, I'll be showing you how I do my eyebrows today, so let's get started. I'll be using this concealer brush and this Nameless concealer palette, 15 concealer palette. Yeah. First, I'll be putting the concealer under my eyes in the shape that I want. And dragging it down to blend. So now that I have that there, I don't know if you can see it properly, so bear with me. I'll be taking this brown eyeliner pencil. It's very dark, but it's not as harsh as a black pencil would be. I don't recommend using a black eyeliner pencil to do your eyebrows because it will be kind of harsh. Even though your hair is black, use a dark brown pencil. So I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows the way I want it again. Don't really have much to do, but I like it kind of full at times. And the tip, feel the tip, so it's not as full either. Arch my brows a little bit more. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to take the concealer again, put it on, and line the top of the eyebrows so I can okay, so I have that. This is blend it out now with the brush, or you can use a cleaner brush to just blend it out so it fades into your skin. Use nothing but on. What's the blending? Okay, so now that I have that fixed, it's not all the way blended in as yet. I'm going to take this eyebrow brush and black and comb and just fade the eyebrows a little bit more. Could also use a spoolie if you have one, but for right now I'll be using it. Sometimes I use the spoolie. So there are the brows. Continue blending and finished brow. See the difference? More arch, more tip at the end, because I don't really have much. So that's it. I just wanted to come back and show you how both arrows look when they're done. And that's them. Super to see it clearly. Okay. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.